Why your YouTube channel isn't getting views? Your views are stuck, your video is not showing up anywhere, and you're starting to wonder, is my YouTube channel Shadowbanned? I am Faith. How are you all doing? If this is your first time seeing my video, hit subscribe and share so others can learn too. I'm growing this channel from scratch in 2025 and I've done the research. So today I will walk you through exactly how to check if your channel is Shadowbanned, how to fix it, and how to prevent it going forward. Let's get into it. What is a YouTube shadow ban? A shadow ban means your videos are technically published, but YouTube is not pushing them. Not in search, not in suggested, not even on home feeds. You don't get a warning, you are just invisible to everyone but yourself. And that is the problem. Here is how to know for sure. Open YouTube in Incognito mode or use another device or account. Now, search your exact video title or keyword. Scroll through the results. If your video doesn't show up at all, even by page 3 to 5, something is off. There is also a YouTube checker I came across called Incognito. You can use it to check for visibility too. I'll put the link in the description so you can use that. Just paste it on your browser. Then it will take you to this page. Then go to YouTube, paste your YouTube URL, and click on search. Then it will bring all the details about your YouTube. If you're under restriction or if you're shadow banned, you can see that too from the link in my description. Now, let's fix it. Starting today, change your title and tags, especially if you copied someone else's exact title. YouTube treats that as duplicate SEO. Number 2, update your description. Make sure it's original, keyword rich, and not spammy. Check your thumbnail. Avoid excessive emojis or misleading expressions. Number 4, re-upload with fresh metadata if your current upload has zero traction after 48 hours. So, don't spam links, don't use banned hashtag, never buy fake views or subscribers. YouTube tracks everything. So here is how to avoid shadow bans in the future. Use unique titles, even if they're based on a trendy topic. Keep hashtags limited to 5 to 8 maximum. Never reuse full descriptions word for word. Stay consistent. YouTube favors channels that post regularly. And above all, create content real people want to watch. That is still the best SEO so far. If your views have been low lately, test the steps. Don't panic. Sometimes it's not a ban. It's just a bad metadata or SEO. I post daily YouTube growth tips, AI tools, and real talk for creators building from the bottom up. Subscribe now and let's grow together. Bye.